Welcome to my Crypto Johannes channel. Today we're going to take a look at eXchange1. We will examine what it is and how it works.
Crypto Johannes.
Before we start, let's make it clear that this video does not contain any financial advice in any ways. You must make your own research before you invest in anything. If you enjoy my reviews, you can leave a like, and if you find my content enjoyable, then you can subscribe and hit the notification bell. Remember, your comments are always welcome. Now, let's start. Today we're going to uncover all the exciting details about eXchange1. I'll guide you through how to use the platform, it's super user-friendly, and step-by-step instructions on how to join the launch events because they're time-limited, so you should hurry. The best part, this is the perfect time to join because they have massive launch events where you can earn passive income just by trading, enjoy lower fees, and participate in Huge Airdrop to earn free 50 USDT, which is super easy. So this is the main page of eXchange1, the exchange built specifically for pro traders and crypto investors who want more than just a typical trading platform. eXchange1 is the next-gen Web3 utility exchange designed to be transparent, community first, and razor-focused on compliance. Their mission? To become the singular premier gateway for crypto trading worldwide. One world, one exchange is their motto, and they're seriously delivering on that promise. So here's the deal. eXchange1 is running a massive launch campaign where you can win from reward pool totaling 500 USDT just by signing up and taking your first trade on the exchange. Plus, there's a 1 million USDC fee discount reward pool with 30% of your trading fees for eligible traders. This campaign runs from May 22 to August 31st, 2025. So here's how it works. Sign up on eXchange1 and complete your KYC, deposit at least 100 USD into your wallet, make your first trade, spot or futures, and start accumulating trading volume. What is more, if you rank among the top 100 traders by total volume, you'll get 50 USDT airdropped directed to your wallet at the end of the campaign. It's that simple. If you got friends who trade crypto or you have a big network, there are more ways to boost your income. eXchange1 offers an affiliate program where you can earn up to 50% commission on your friends' trading fees. Just share your referral code or link and watch your passive income grow as your network trades. You can do that by sharing your invitation code or link as you can see here. This is also in the descriptions. Or you can be an affiliate, simply click become a broker, and there you need to fill out a simple form to join the great affiliate program of eXchange1. So here's the procedure. First of all, I've got the sign up link in the description below, so you can click that as you can see on my screen now. First of all, I've got the sign up link in the description below, so you can click that. As you can see on my screen, click sign up, enter your email, password, and if you want an optional referral code, mine is in the description. Feel free to use it to support the channel. Agree to the terms, click sign up. You'll get a verification code in your email. Copy and paste it to access your account. When logging later, you'll receive a code to add an extra layer of security. Once inside, you'll see your dashboard. You can change the theme. And next, head over to the account section for identity verification, which is KYC. It only takes about a minute on your phone, and just follow the simple steps to verify your identity. This will take a small amount of time to be done, and while you're waiting, let's see what you can do after your KYC. After your KYC is approved, go to balances section. Here you'll get a full overview of your assets, including spot account, P2P account, futures account, isolated margin, and more. This easy to navigate dashboard makes managing your crypto a breeze. And how to deposit. Click deposit at top right of your screen. Choose any token you want to deposit, let's say USDT. Select the network, Ethereum, Tron, etc. And copy the deposit address and transfer your crypto from your wallet. Once your funds arrive, they will show up in your spot account immediately. Withdrawals are equally simple with fast processing times. And how to trade. Go to your spot account and click trade. So browse all available markets for spot and futures trading. For example, you might pick a coin here. Click trade and use the intuitive interface to buy or sell. You can place instant market orders, use isolated or cross margin, and easily manage your trades. Place your order, confirm it, and you can always check your order history and trade history for full transparency. Want to go big? eXchange1 offers up to 125x leverage on futures trading. That's huge. You can place long positions if you think the market will go up, short positions if you expect prices to fall. The platform lets you set take profit and stop loss orders so you stay in full control. To start, simply transfer funds from your spot to your futures account in balance section. Select transfer, choose futures account, enter the amount, for example 50 USDT, and confirm. The funds appear instantly. You'll see important info like entry price, liquidation price, margin ratio, and PL, which means profit and loss, all in one place. One of the coolest things about eXchange1 is the 30% off trading fees for those who complete KYC and deposit funds. The total fee discount reward pool is 1 million USDC, a massive incentive to keep trading. Most of these discounts apply to futures trading pairs, which you can access easily via the market or futures section. Want to make your crypto work for you even when you're not actively trading? eXchange1 has a savings platform where you can earn attractive APYs, which means annual percentage yields on your favorite tokens. Deposit your tokens into their saving baskets and start earning passive income, all while you sleep. eXchange1 is a powerful, transparent, and user-friendly Web3 utility exchange that's focused on compliance and rewarding its users. With a massive launch campaign, generous fee discounts, an easy-to-use trading platform, a rewarding affiliate program, and a passive income savings platform, now is the perfect time to join and start trading. Remember, this is a limited time offer. The campaign ends on August 31st, 2025, and there are only a few weeks left to join. So don't wait. Click the sign up link in the description below, complete your KYC, make your first trade, and start earning free USDT rewards today. That will be it for today's video. We looked at various details about eXchange1. Take care and stay safe.